Hello and welcome back to my channel, the place where creativity knows no bounds. Today we've got an exciting project for you, a versatile crinoline fascinator that is as stunning from the front as it is from the back. Let's get started. To begin, cut about 4 inches of crinoline and tie the frayed ends together. Thread a needle and make a running stitch along the edge of the 3-inch wide crinoline, creating a base. This will serve as the foundation for our fabulous fascinator. Insert the needle into the tied end of the crinoline, pulling it through until the knot is snug against the fabric. Then pass the needle in and out of the fabric, creating a continuous line of stitches. Continue stitching, working your way around the entire perimeter of the crinoline, and then maintain an even distance between the stitches. Once you have stitched all the way around, pull the thread and tie off the thread at the other end of the crinoline. You should have a base such as this. Next, let's fashion those eye-catching loops. Make approximately 7 loops, arranging them partly on themselves. But before we continue, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our fabulous DIY projects. Now, after making the loops, press the center to create a loopy bow, securing the middle with some well-placed stitches. Ensure you gather the bow at the center. This is what makes your bow beautiful. And then secure it with the thread. This is where your creativity can shine. Feel free to experiment with different arrangements. Now let's bring it all together. Place your bow on the fascinator base and tack it in place. Cut off the excess thread, and to make sure your fascinator stays in place, you want to sew a comb to it. Now sew a comb broken in half for a neat fit to the base. cut off the remaining thread. Now you may use your fascinator like this, but for that extra touch of elegance, adorn the center of the bow with flat back pearls. The matching pink color will tie everything together seamlessly. Now here's the exciting part. This fascinator is reversible. Whether you wear it with the bow in the front or turn it to the back, you're guaranteed a stunning and chic look. It's like having two fascinators in one. And there you have it, a beautiful crinoline fascinator, a true statement to your creativity. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep shining. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video.